welcome back to the new episode of Fit Week with Somya. I'm sorry I'm uploading this bit late, but yes, last time also I uploaded late. That's why I thought that it will take at least 7 days for you to complete that previous challenge. So yes, today the new episode is up, and yes, it is one of the most amazing workouts, that's the skipping workout. And for everyone out there who don't know how to skip, this one is for you for sure, because even if you don't know how to skip, you can definitely try it out, because we are not using the unconventional skipping techniques. We are just using the basic one hand skipping, and we'll make sure that you get the best results out of that only. Before heading towards the video, here is a GT wall of inspiration. Some amazing results that my GT family members have received by following my workouts, diet plans and everything that I post on my channel in order to get the best possible results out there. So yes, congratulations to all the lovely GT family members getting these great results and being consistent with what they have decided in the beginning of their weight loss journey. So congratulations and keep going. Also, before starting the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along in order to never miss any update. Also, make sure that you write your city name in the comment section below so that we can connect more and our GT family grows bigger and bigger. So yes, let's get started now. So we begin with some stretching. Stretching plays a very important role because we are going to do some amazing cardio afterwards. So yes, you have to stretch yourself so that all your muscles are engaged and you get ready for the amazing cardio workout coming ahead. So yes, 60 minutes of this stretching will really help you in get the best possible results and warm up your body and stretch it enough so that there would be no muscle soreness after the workout. So as I said in the beginning of the video, for this exercise, you don't need anything but just a skipping rope, and you need not to know skipping as well. This is just simple basic variations that we are going to do. Even if you don't know how to skip, you can definitely do it. There are 4 variations that we are going to try. One is single hand skipping, then high knee skipping, cross skipping, and then finally hop skipping. So for this first variation, that is single hand skipping, you just have to make sure that you jump on your toes and not your heels. Make sure that your hand movement is perfect while doing this. You just have to rotate your wrist while doing it and not the complete hands. And make sure that while doing this, you don't land on your heels. You have to first land on your toes. This is the most important part. Otherwise, you will have toe pain and unwanted injuries in your ankle. So make sure that you do it properly. And yes, you have to perform 30 seconds from each side, 30 seconds from your right hand and then 30 seconds from your left hand. Some people might find it very difficult to do it from their left hand, like the opposite hand. But it's okay if you are comfortable doing it with the single hand as well. You can take a break after 30 seconds for 10 seconds, and then after that you can resume. Now we move on to the second variation. This one is you have to keep rotating your wrist and keep moving and keep skipping while doing a high knee. So you just have to make sure that you are doing high knees along with continuous motion of your hand in order to maintain that pace. And this is an amazing variation to burn a lot of calories and get the best results when it comes to your weight loss journey. So yes, try it out. You have to perform it for 30 seconds. Again, you can use your both hands while doing it, but it's up to you. If you are comfortable with just one hand, you need to continue this variation for 60 seconds. Again, you can take a break after doing it at a stretch for 30 seconds, for 10 seconds, and then again resume it. For for the next variation, we are going to twist our waistline while doing this skipping. You are going to go in a crisscross skipping while twisting your lower body, basically twisting your pelvic muscles, continuously doing it and engaging your core while doing it. And this will make sure that you burn a lot of calories. Again, make sure that while you are jumping, while twisting, you have to land on your toes and not your heels. Otherwise, you will have some ankle pain, toe pain, shin bone problems. So make sure of maintaining this proper posture while jumping and landing on your toes. Last variation is the amazing cardio high intensity variation, wherein you are hopping along with skipping. So you have to hop once after every 3 skips. So this will help you get great fat loss results, and also make sure that your intensity is retained throughout the workout. It's again very much high intensity cardio exercise. So try it for yourself. It's not that difficult, but yes, you have to do it for 60 seconds. Again, you can take a break after 30 seconds and then resume. So now once you are done with this one complete set, you can repeat it for one more time, and simply this will help you get a workout for 10 to 11 minutes and get the best possible results in your weight loss journey. Now we are going to repeat this complete set for one more time. yes, that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment below with your city names, and yes, I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.